say, and dear colleagues, a very good afternoon to everyone. Actually, I'm Eslens and I'm going to present my ITC333 assignment 2 task. I think it's a major task, and today I'll be going to present my assignment. And actually, if we go through the question, then the question is actually asking we have to design, right? We have to design a data platform using MongoDB, and actually we also have to, if we want to do the coding, then we have to go to install Visual Studio Code, where we doing all the coding part, and also the GitHub. I think all these three software will play a very vital role in terms of designing, running, and actually moving to the actual platform. So basically, if you see the screen, my actual screen, then I already have installed the Visual Studio Code, and actually the Git, you can see the GitHub is also here, and the MongoDB is also here. So basically all three programs are going to play a very vital role in this assignment, and basically you can see the user profile here, so all the information is installed here. So basically quick how to go through this project. First of all, you have to go to the command prompt, and right, you can just go down and type cmd, right, and go to search here and type cmd. It will take you to the command prompt, and with the use of command prompt, then we are going to enter, right. And basically what you are going to do now, and then I have to press cd, then space user, and slash profiles, and I have to click enter, right, and it will come to this screen, and from here I have to press code and press enter. Code space dot, right, I have to press code. Right, so basically once I press the code and press enter, then it will take me to the Visual Studio Code, right? And once I reach to the Visual Studio Code, then it will help me with all profiles I have already entered in my system. Right, it takes a time, so I have to wait for a while once all the information is displayed on the screen. Right, you can see the information has appeared on the screen, and from here, basically from here, what I'm going to show you, right, I'll take you to the terminal. I'll take you to the terminal and show you the information, right. Right, from here I have to go to the new terminal, right. I have to go to the new terminal, right. You can see the new terminal is coming right here, this side, minimize, right, Mongo. Right, so basically I'm going to open MongoDB Compass now, and it will take time to open. Right, from here what you are going to do, see the new connection is already open. From here we are going to connect, right. We are going to connect the MongoDB, right. So I have to click on connect. Right. It's going to open. Right, so that is the platform. That is the Visual Studio Code I was talking about in the beginning of the presentation. Now what I'm going to do, I'll take you to actually, right. So I'll be taking you to again the command prompt, right? And sorry, not the command prompts. Basically, it's open here, and I'm going to type uh, mpr, right? mpr slash space npm, right? npm, then right, npm, npm. Right, from here, what I'm going to do, I have to go to run, right. I'm going to click on run and start debugging, right. Start debugging, and we'll get the information. I'm going to run and click start debugging, and let's see this time, because first time if we run it gives error, but the second time we'll try, then it will run properly and without giving any error. Hopefully this time it is working, it's fine. Restore page, I don't have to restore that, to close that and just wait. the locals, right? The local host work with colon 3000, right? But let's see, just wait for a while and the information will appear and we'll work on that. Right, so that's the information, right? That's the main page I was talking about, the local host, where the information we are going to enter, put the information in the and feed all the data, then you will get the output, right? So welcome to login page, sign in, our update, and they click me register for a new user. Basically, if there is a new user, register here, registration part will be there, and admin use only. Admin can only do the changes and alternatives in the program. So basically, I'm going to start with the uh, sign in, right? So I'm going to click here for sign in or update, right? So I have to click on click me. Right, so I'm going to enter my username, right? I'm going to enter my username. So and I'm also going to enter, right? Basically, once we open that one login, right? So basically this is the page will appear. Then here we are going to feed all the information, right? Edit, I'm going to edit my profile, right? So I'm going to enter my name, right? My first name, Eslen. Eslen is my first name, right? Last name is Prasad, and other name is Atish, right? Email, uh, right? Ashlen Atish Prasad at Gmail, Prasad at Gmail, okay, at gmail.com, and right, it's already done here. Now I can enter my phone number here, 4796440, right? Nationality Fijian, and date of birth, the day will be first, so first, then uh, March, then I can just type 1984, right? Current address I'm staying in Baudevu, sorry, and organization MINISTR, Ministry of Education, right? So Ministry of Education, spelling error here, right? Ministry of Education. For this position, I'm a school teacher, and start date started in 2016. First, I can say first Jan and 2016. Right. So visa, actually, I forgot my visa number, but I will put here 5678998. Right. And expiry date, I know it will expire in 2027, and it's first and 9 and 2027, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to update, right? I'm going to update my profile, right? Update, and all right, basically after updating, right, updating the profile, and this page will appear once we go and view profile, right? So this is the page it will go, and there are some additional features, right? If you see the information here in my profile, there are some additional features in my profile. There is a right, send mail here, right? Mailing information is here, and basically the expiry timer, right? The expiry timer is also running. That is also a part and a parcel of our assignment, right? Which I think was mentioned that we should be putting the expiry timer in our assignment. And basically, if you look the expiry timer here, and it's working, it's running, right? So it's basically it says 370 days, 12 hours, 27 minutes, and now seconds. It's moving. So basically, this part is done. And if we click on send a mail here, if I'll click here, then you'll see the information, right? The information will also appears, right? Right, so basically this is the place where we get the information from. So once we click the email, and the information will be showing here, right? That's what I supposed to be doing that in my assignment, and I successfully went, although I found some errors and problem while doing this assignment. It's a very hard task, I believe, for me. So basically I managed to complete this, and I'll show you the picture profile too in my portfolio, the assignment, right? So what I have to do, I have to go to local host again. Right, so basically we'll come to this platform where we have already edited profile. This is my profile. So now I'm going to choose the picture, right? I'm going to choose the picture, and I'm going to put the picture in my file. So how to do that? I have to go to choose file, right? I have to click on choose file right from here. And after choosing file, it will take me to the pictures. I think the pictures are the here from the Viva images. I think I have already updated, and I'll click on open, and my picture will appear, right? So my picture is also coming, that was installed from the Viber, and this is what I'm supposed to be doing. And from here I'm also going to see uh, the information for the admin. Right, so basically once this picture will appear, I have previously mentioned, now I'm going to log out, right? I'm going to click on log out. Once I click on log out, then it will ask me to view and delete profile, right? So view and delete profile, I have to click on view and delete profile. Right, so once I appear here, right, this is all the information that it is bringing. So I believe this is what I supposed to be doing, and there are some errors, and I believe this there are some errors, and I think last part it gives me bit errors, or might be there's some understanding problem, but I managed to complete my task, and this is what I'm trying my very best to show you that what actually I have done in my assignment. So once again, thank you very much, and thank you for all your guidance, help, and support throughout the term. I know that we came at the end of our term, and we have completed our I think the unit for this semester. I congratulate you, thank you, and I also would like to thank each and everyone, my dear colleagues, my friends, those who really helped me at this time. And just I would like to also acknowledge my friend, my ex-student, Zaim Aftab Muhammad, I think, who really helped me a lot in terms of compiling my assignment, in terms of helping me with the trying to help me out with the information that what we're supposed to be doing, and I congratulate and thank him. Uh, Thank you, Zain, and thank you, Say, and thank you, everyone. Binaka Paglebu. God bless.